Holy smokes, what's going on, guys? It's your boy NJ. Welcome then to the NJ Show, the home of all your reaction videos. Guys, it is great. It's great to be back. Just got back from Turkey on the holidays. I mean, here we go once again. You know, we got to kick it off right with a little bit of Gigi De Lana. She sure is the best thing ever. You wait until you check this one out. Guys, this is Angel Baby. This is live in Baler. So yeah, first time reaction, never seen it before. Super excited. Don't forget, like and subscribe. All that good stuff right there, my guys. Let's check this one out together. Expect the unexpected. Let the countdown commence on 3, 2, 1. Let's vibe.
Alam nyo, masarap magmahal.
Talaga?
Alam nyo kung bakit masarap magmahal?
Hindi eh. You know? Sorry na, kuya.
Masarap magmahal kasi binibigay mo lahat.
Yun. Pati wallet.
Kahit hindi na dapat, di ba? Binibigay mo pa rin lahat para sa kanya. Pero tong spill na to, hindi to connected sa song na to.
Wala lang. Yes. Wala lang.
Pero tong kantang to, gusto ko sumabay kayo. Kahit kayo nandyan, nasa dulo, bumibili ng pagkain, bumibili ng kung ano-ano dyan. Kantahan nyo to.
Yes.
Oo na, sige na, kanta na ako, itong mga to.
Here we go. Woo! That's more like it. Oh my God. What a way to kick off the show on this Monday. Yes! Come on, Gigi. Ow! She's special. Oh, I'm Romeo. Perfecto, right? Ow! She's the one. Killing it.
You're my angel.
Amazing. Gigi De Lana, making my heart grow fonder. All the time. Every time. Yeah.
I love you. I'm afraid living couldn't get any better. Start giving up on the world forever.
You feel that?
Until you give up heaven
magic. She's got the audience in the palm of her hand.
You're my angel.
Amazing stuff. Sick. Love it. Good times. As always, right? It's what we do. Every day for you. We go. Thank you. Gigi De Lana. Wow. Angel baby. There we have it. Live in Baler. Or Manila. It's from Manila. So what? So Baler. It says in the title live in Baler. But yeah. From Manila in the Philippines. Wow. What a performance. She is amazing. Jesus Christ. Keeps getting better and better. I love it, mate. Especially when she's playing in front of an audience. Finally, she's doing more and more of that. So yeah, long may that continue. Guys, tell me your thoughts, feelings, and opinions on this video down below in the comments. Request the next one. What else do you want me to check out of Gigi? We're getting through nearly every video she's done. But if there's something that I've missed, obviously tell me and I'll react to it, no doubt. So yeah, with that being said, on your way out, don't forget, like and subscribe. Show the love and support. And oh my days, she's at 1.6 million subscribers now on YouTube. She's coming up close to 2 million. That's amazing. Guys, thank you so much for telling me about her. I remember 2 years ago, you're like, NJ, check her out, man. And I have, and she's been with us the whole time we've been doing this show. So yeah, long may it continue. Right then, on that bombshell. With that being said, let's get on out of here and get straight into the next one. Let's rendezvous as we always do, right back here, same time, same place, same channel. You know who I am. I'm your boy NJ. You've been on the NJ show and you know what time it is. It's time to go. But we will see you very soon. The next reaction video. Be there or be square. Take care then. Ciao for now. Later.